Today we are doing the Chapter 9 review in our Go Math book. We will not be doing this together. I will read it to you and you will complete it on your own. Stop the recording anytime that you need to do your work and then start again to move forward. At the top we have 2 vocabulary words and you're going to use them both. Use the words in the box to complete the sentence. One blank is longer than one blank. So which one of these is longer, a centimeter or a meter? Put that here in this box and use the other word in this box. Number 2, it says to draw a diagram, write a number sentence using a blank for the missing number, and then solve. Mrs. Cook has a poster board that is 21 centimeters long. She cuts off 8 centimeters from the board. How long is the poster board now? Please draw your lines and label them on here to show me whether you are going to add or you're going to subtract to get your answer. Write your number sentence here, use a blank, and put your answer here. Mrs. Cook has a poster board that is 21 centimeters long. She cuts off 8 centimeters from the poster board. How long is the poster board now? Number 3, we are not going to do. You can put an X on that and turn your paper over. Number 4, which is the best estimate for the length of a real desk? They are asking you about meters, which would be using one of these, a meter stick. So, for a desk, would it be 2 meters, 10 meters, 50 meters, or 100 meters? Which would be the best estimate? Number 5, use a centimeter ruler. So I want you to measure the first one with your centimeter ruler and write the length here. Measure the straw and write the length here. And then it says how much longer. So you need to do a number sentence over here and then find your answer down here. Number 6, use a centimeter ruler, which is the best choice for the length of the toothpick. Again, you're going to use your ruler. Be sure to start right at the end of your toothpick. We're going to go to the next page, which is 463. Number 7, use a centimeter ruler to measure the length of the paintbrush to the nearest centimeter. So measure that and pick the nearest centimeter. Number 8, you are not going to use your ruler on this one. You're going to estimate. The paper clip is about 4 centimeters long, so we know that this is 4 centimeters. So which is the best estimate for the length of the string? So the paper clip comes about here on your string. So if this is 4 centimeters, what would the whole string be? What would be the best estimate? And then turn your paper over. Again, you are not going to use your ruler for this. The craft stick is about 12 centimeters long. So we know this is 12 centimeters. Circle the best estimate for the length of the string. So the string only comes here. The whole craft stick is 12 centimeters. So the string is shorter. What would be a good estimate for that? And then explain how you chose your estimate. Why do you choose the one that you do? Number 10, Mrs. Dillon has 2 posters. The first poster is 75 centimeters long. The second poster is 58 centimeters long. How much longer, that's important right there, how much longer is the first poster than the second poster? What does how much longer tell you to do? So you should make a T in here so that you can do your work and then write your answer over here. The last question says, if Mrs. Dillon measures the length of her bulletin board in centimeters and in meters, how will the number of centimeters and the number of meters be different? Explained. So I wrote a little question over here because this is what I want you to think about. Which number will be bigger? Will you have a bigger number for the centimeters, or will you have a bigger number for the meters? Remember, the centimeter unit is what a centimeter looks like, and this meter stick, one of these is a meter. So which one will you have more of if you are measuring that bulletin board? Explain your answer down here. And when you have completed all of those, your assignment will be done.